Model 2017 Ford Transit Custom 290 factory-fitted crew cab Minter body, white, crew cab mileage, 110,997 engine, 1,996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. First to see and drive will definitely buy. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £10,750 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.